yearly cleanup on the muscadine. Pretty much just pruning. I don't know much about pruning muscadines, but from what I read and what I've seen online, basically cut to like the nearest two nodes. So basically this one, two, then I cut in between. One, two, then I cut in between. So I'm probably doing this not perfectly, but so far, since the Carlos Muscadine is so productive in either way, it's worked the past 2 years, so I'm guessing it's gonna continue to work. If you would have seen this before I cut this thing back, it was just pandemonium in between all this. So cutting this down will help with the looks and help with fruiting. From what I've heard, gonna let more light get in, and this thing not just to get just super bushy and foliage, so much foliage where it's not as productive for the fruit. So it looks a lot better. You can see the base is super thick now, especially compared to 2 years ago. So yep, Carlos Muscadine cleanup going on.